It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Matters. So I hope you guys watched my previous video about what is CSS. So we will continue with our web development series, okay? So today we are going to see how to import CSS file to our HTML and how to add features in it. Generally we will see what CSS do and how to add style properties and stuffs like that, okay? Okay, so for importing CSS in HTML is very similar like how we created a HTML file. So we will create a new text document, okay? We'll create a new text document and name it as style.css. Any name is fine, it's your wish, but extension must be CSS. So after that, put the CSS file into the folder where you have your HTML file, I mean the index.html files. And now open the Sublime editor and the index.html parallelly. So this makes us more comfortable. Yeah, so all set. Now let's import CSS. So there are three ways of importing a CSS file and adding features in it. So the first one is inline CSS property. So inline CSS is something we have done in all our previous videos. So we can so we can style whatever we need in the same HTML tag itself. Okay, so just apply the style property in it and look for the property you needed to do. Either maybe a background color or color, whatever it may be. So let's say we change the background color of h1 tag, which is tech matters. So this is how we do. Okay, so inline is pretty much simple, and now the next CSS is embedded CSS. uh, Means we define the CSS before the body tag and add property over there. So this is how we do. So we will add a style tag. Okay, we'll add a style tag here, specify its type as text.css. So these are all predefined. We have to do is these are all predefined in creating the the style attribute, and we will select the tag which we need to change property and do similar like the inline. Okay, it is all fine, but here we will use the curly brackets. That's the major important. So yeah, let's see this. So yeah, so these are all about inline and embedded. So these types of CSS are not professional. Means I'm just saying, like, a professional web developer will not use these will not use this inline and embedded CSS. So what is the option? It's the last one, right? It is the external CSS. So let's see how in external CSS work out. Okay, for that we will use a link tag. So what is a link tag? Okay, let's type a link tag, and this link tag will use in the between the head tag. Okay, so just type link tag, and yeah, so what do you see? First thing is rel, which is the relation, so which tells that this is a style sheet for our web page. That is pretty much simple. And the next is a type, and I said these are all predefined, like type dot the slash css text dot css or the predefined thing. And the next thing which you see is a href tag, and have come across this href word in the anchor tag, I guess. Yeah, in the anchor tag. So href means nothing but the source. So here we need to type our source file, which is nothing but our css source file. So it is style dot css. Okay, that what we saved in it. So that's it. We'll just type it. So we will open our style.css. Now do some property in it. Okay, I'll show you on an example, and the format is same like embedded. Okay, it's same. So, but one important thing is you need to save both the files, both the CSS file and the HTML file to view the result in the index.html. Very, very important. Okay. So, yeah, we made it good today. Hope you guys enjoyed and learned all about CSS. So, please do share and subscribe this channel. That makes me to make more videos on web development. And yeah, peace.